finding the largest hexagon in the square, you fold to cut the creases down. We just want to mark corner to corner about there, and then take this edge to that mark as if it was from corner to corner, but don't fold it, and just put a crease down there. Then put that edge to that edge, hold in place and make a mark there and there. Now make the first of our markers, one here. If I put a cross fold in there, that gives it a dimension, and I want one across this side. So same again, try not to put too many creases in, so I'll put this edge to the centre from the corner and crease at the edge here, and take this edge to that edge, crease the corner there and crease at the edge, and make a mark at the very point. Now we've got our 2 marker points here, and I'm going to crease a line going through those markers. Here's our line we've just done. So fold corner to corner now, all the way. And fold over on this existing crease, and the same the opposite way. Try and keep the paper in line. There we go. Now we've divided the square into 6, and to define the hexagon edges, I'm going to fold from that corner to that corner and bring a leaf down, and the same on the other side. And unfold. And there's the largest hexagon in a square. Now, to fold the decoy duck, fold over and over as we previously done. And the first fold is to fold this one inside, and the other side fold it over. Fold one leaf over as well, and I'll put a valley fold from here to here and there to there. One and to the. Then I'm going to fold in half, as many layers now, there, and then fold up. The layers are quite thick now. Well, this folds over and tucks in, and we sort of got a basic bird shape. Now, a crimp fold from here about there to there, and this gives you a start to shaping the head. There we are, like that. Now I'm going to open it out. There's a single piece here that might rip, so I'm going to hold that together there like that. And first flatten the front of the duck, and the second, holding that together as well, is to flatten the back of the neck of the duck. There we go. And then squash fold the head and neck down. Now, to shape the bill, squash down like that, fold up like that, tuck the end of the nose under, and put a little mounting fold in there, and there we have the decoy duck. Quack, 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 quack.